Kia ora. My name is Arish Naresh, and I've been here for just over 6 years in Te Rāwhiti. Okay, tilt your head back for me. Nothing will hurt today, I promise you, okay? So I came here as the team leader for the dental services for the DHB. And over time I've now started working for Amber Dental doing a alternate Saturday and doing more clinical work, especially around the children and teenagers. Instead of actually filling them, I will coat them as a preventative measure. So my great-grandparents were taken from India to Fiji in the then indentured labour system. And as a result, 4 generations of my family grew up in Fiji. And after the last political crisis in 2006, which coincided with my graduation, I decided to move to New Zealand and make Aotearoa my home. Before I moved to Gisborne, I was painted this picture that you land at the airport and someone will actually mug you. The reactions I was getting from people as I was telling them I was moving is that don't go there. And I found it to be the total opposite.
Since when did you care about me? I've been pushing my luck.
I think that external image that New Zealanders have of Gisborne, it really grinds me when they say that you'll be mugged at the airport. And I've tried a number of times, and I have succeeded in bringing my friends and giving them a good Te Rāwhiti hospitality, which they've taken away, and made this place feel that it's not what you see in the media. The Festival of Lights is essentially the Hindu New Year, or it's very similar to Matariki. It falls on the longest night in the Hindu calendar and falls around October and November each year. My family does come from a strong Hindu background, and it's something that I like to celebrate with the community, and it allows us to work with the other, to inform, educate and make other communities appreciate what our culture is about. As a personal aspiration is to, in the next 5 years, to learn the te reo really well. Language has the ability to unite people. And I think even though we started from bicultural frameworks and now we live in a multicultural environment, if we had a common language apart from the lingua franca of the world, then we have the ability to understand each other's cultures better.